Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to remove all your synced contacts in X. If you're looking to declutter your contacts list or maintain better privacy, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be directed to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the account icon, usually positioned in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, find and tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Privacy and Safety and select Account Information. This section allows you to adjust privacy preferences and safety settings related to your account. Step 6. Within the Account Information section, tap on Discoverability and Contacts. This is where you can manage settings related to your contacts. Step 7. Tap on Remove All Contacts. By doing this, you will remove all your synced contacts from X, helping you declutter your contacts list or maintain better privacy. Now you have successfully removed all your synced contacts in X. Thank you for watching, and may your X experience be streamlined and secure.